If you've ever tried to talk to your teenager about money and got a one-word answer, a glazed-over stare, or an eye roll that could power a small city, this video is for you. I'm going to give you 5 practical ways to start real money conversations with your teen. Not lectures, not lessons. Conversations. Because here's the thing most parents don't know. Research shows that 81% of teens say they learn about money from their parents. Not school, not TikTok, not their friends, you. And Schwab research found that teens actually want their parents involved in their financial lives. They just don't want to be talked at. There's a difference. Let me show you what it looks like. Conversation 1. Make it about them, not about money. The fastest way to lose a teenager's attention is to start a sentence with, "We need to talk about money." Their brain hears, lecture incoming, defenses go up. Instead, start with their goal. "Hey, I saw you looking at that new phone. How much does it cost?" Now you're talking about something they care about. From there, you can naturally introduce the idea of saving toward it, or what it would cost in hours of work, or whether there's a smarter version of the same thing. The money lesson is hidden inside a conversation they actually wanted to have. Conversation 2. Let them make real decisions with real money. The biggest mistake parents make is protecting teens from all financial decisions until they're 18, and then handing them a credit card and hoping for the best. Financial confidence comes from experience, not instruction. Start small. Give them a real budget for something that matters to them. Here's $50 for school supplies. Whatever you don't spend, you keep. Now they have skin in the game. They'll research prices. They'll make trade-offs. They'll feel the satisfaction of keeping $12 because they found a deal. That feeling is worth more than any lecture you could give about budgeting. Conversation 3. Talk about your money. Not all of it. Not your salary, your debt, your net worth, but enough to make money feel real and normal. We're deciding between 2 family vacations, and we have to pick one because of budget. Want to help us think through it? Or, I'm trying to decide whether to fix the car or save for a new one. Here's what I'm thinking. When teens see that adults make real trade-offs, that budgets are real things that affect real decisions, money stops feeling like an abstract concept adults lecture about. It becomes something people actually navigate. Conversation 4. Use the news as a starting point. This is the one most parents miss. Your teen is already seeing financial stories on social media. SpaceX going public, athletes signing massive contracts, crypto coins crashing. They might not say anything about it, but they're watching. Did you see that Patrick Mahomes just signed a $504 million contract? Here's something crazy. He probably takes home about $30 million of it after taxes and fees. Wild, right? That one sentence can start a conversation about taxes, about the difference between a headline number and a real number, about how the same thing happens to their paycheck. You don't need to have all the answers, you just need to open the door. That's actually why I created this channel, so there's always something relevant to watch together or send them on their own. Conversation 5. Teach the 3 jars. This is the simplest framework we teach on this channel, and it works at every age. Every time your teen gets money, a gift, a paycheck, birthday cash, have them split it into 3, 50% to spend. That's their guilt-free money. They can use it for whatever they want without justification. 40% to save. Not for something next week, for the future, for their first car, their first apartment, their first investment. 10% to give, to a cause, a person, a community. This one teaches them that money is a tool for more than just their own life. 50, 40, 10, every time. The teens who build real financial habits aren't the ones with the highest income. They're the ones who learned early how to split what they have. Here's the bigger picture. You don't have to be a financial expert to raise a financially confident teen. You just have to make money a normal topic in your house. Not scary. Not shameful, not something only adults handle. Normal. The research is clear. Teens who talk about money with their parents make better financial decisions as adults. Not because their parents were perfect with money, but because the conversation happened. Start the conversation this week. Pick one of these 5 approaches. See what happens. And if you want a resource to share with your teen directly or watch together, this channel covers the same topics in a format built for them. Season 1 is a complete money course you can send their way. If this helped you think about how to approach money conversations with your teen, subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments, what's the hardest money topic to bring up with your teenager? See you in the next one.